Importing SIM contacts to your iPhone 16 cloud accounts helps back up your contact information and ensures it's safely stored and accessible across your devices. Here's how it's done. To start, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, locate the settings or gear icon and then tap on it. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom section and then tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and tap on Contacts. In the Contacts app settings, scroll to the bottom section, then tap on Import SIM Contacts. Here, you can select the account where you want to import contacts. Among the available options include iCloud, Gmail, Outlook, and other supported accounts. Simply tap to select your desired account for that matter. Note that the import process will begin automatically after selecting your desired account, and your SIM contacts will be copied to that account. And that's how you import SIM contacts to your preferred account on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos.